Hello students, here we are meeting to learn the 10th chapter. Today we will see the first part of this Internet Services and Safety part 1. In this we are going to see what is Internet, how it is accessed by many people and what are the different variations in the Internet, what is Wi-Fi, what is broadband, what is dial-up connection and all this in detail, and what is the safety measures, what safety measures we should take when we are using internet services. All this we will see here. Now we will start this lesson. Internet is also called a net, is one of the largest networks that links millions or trillions of computers all over the world. The internet offers many facilities at your fingertips. Using internet, you can send messages to others, meet new friends, do banking, make investment, do shopping, fill prescriptions, file taxes, play games, listen to music, watch movies, and so many. You must have experienced out of this many things you must have experienced. The advantages of the internet is that you can access it from anywhere, at your workplace, at your school, or at your at any restaurant also. Okay, or if you are going to your friend's house, from there also you can access internet. All are well versed with internet. What is internet? It's a network of many computers together, and mainly it is used to research many things or to find out new information. Okay, and that is possible with very less cost. Now, one by one, we will see the uses of internet. Okay, research. The internet gives you access to information on any subject of interest. This makes the internet a valuable research tool. Now see, you must have experienced this whenever you are means whenever we were having the physical school. That time, if any information you want, you can come to computer lab, especially in the period of the exhibition time. See, that time if you want to do some experiment or you want to exhibit something and you want the information about it, the student used to come to computer lab to search the information. Not only this, on any topic you will get the information for this through internet. You must have experienced this. Okay. Now email, electronic mail. Email is the fastest way of sending and receiving messages from one computer to another all over the world. This email chapter we have seen, we know email. One should have an email account, one should have an internet connection for that, and sitting at home, sitting at your workplace also, you can send the mail, and one can receive the mail at any time. It doesn't restrict you on the time ground that this is night or this office is not open, bank is not open, or internet will not work. No, that is not the case with internet. Or sending email at any time, it is possible, and through electronic media it is sent, so that's why it is called electronic mail. All of you know about this. Okay, now a few more uses we will see. Out of that, it is entertainment. The internet offers many different forms of entertainment such as radio, television, broadcast, video, and music. See here, picture is given, that is video games. That is the entertainment source for you. Then watching movies, different movies. Now this OTT platform is possible through the internet only, which you must have enjoyed some movies or some shows. Digital technology TV programs, then e-news and e-books. Some of them are fond of reading, so they can read the e-book also, means on the computer or through internet you can read the books also. Or e-news, means on the net you can get the news from all over the world. You can read the newspaper also on the through using internet. Downloading and listening to music on internet. See, in entertainment field, there are variety of entertainment sections are there, and you can name it. It is possible on internet. So through internet, you can download the songs, you can download the movies, you can hear the songs directly also. Digital photography is also possible using internet. Then social network, with that you can have the chatting, you can have the friends, okay, listening to music and watch videos, digital photos, that is also possible. So in the entertainment itself, there are so many sections available through which you can have your own entertainment. Apart from this, you can search any information, that also may somebody may get entertained with that also. Then software programs, you can find thousands of software programs to be used on your computer, such as word processors, drawing programs, games, accounting programs, and so many. Now you must have experienced this with Google Classroom, isn't it? All of you are using Google Classroom, or you must have learned Word, Excel, in any other accounting programs. If you'll go grow big, you can use any accounting programs also. Your parents, some of your parents may be using it. Okay, so through internet you can have the access to many computer programs also, software programs also. Now you can download. Now suppose after this chapter, I think we are going to learn the Movie Maker, this new application, that also you can download through using internet, through computer, okay, using internet. So any new this Google, in Google Play, you must have seen Google Play. Through Google Play you can download and install the app whichever you want for your own purpose. Okay, so, software programs also available uh, through internet. You can download the software programs and you can learn new programs. Okay, now comes, after that it comes buy and sell. This is more interesting, correct? You can buy and sell products on the internet even while sitting at home. It's not necessary that you should open a shop or you should sit in the shop and you can take the orders, and or you can sell your products. No, sitting at home on internet, you have to display your products, and you can sell your products, as well as you can buy the products if you want. See, there are so many internet, Flipkart is there, Amazon is there. On those, the Big Basket is there. On these sites, you can order the groceries also. Okay, so Reliance is there. So many sites are there available through which you can buy the things also sitting at home. Only thing, you have to place the order, you have to download that app, and you can buy the products, as well as clothes, as well as furniture. Even IKEA.com, I think they have their own site to purchase the things. And so many other stores, their sites are available through which you can purchase the things sitting at home. And the payment is also possible, uh, giving the payment is also possible through internet. GPay is there, Paytm is there, and so many internet banking is there. So with this, you can uh, pay the shopkeeper by giving, using all this other paying mechanisms. Then chat. The chat feature allows you to exchange the typed message with the person on the internet. See, this also you must be experiencing daily, because whenever you are using WhatsApp, you need a internet, correct? So through internet only you can chat with your friends. There are, for chatting, there are messengers, or so many other sites, softwares are available. You can make use of those, those softwares. Blog is there, Twitter is there, then so many other sites, LinkedIn is there. So for chatting also, many softwares are available. You can make use of those chatting softwares to chat with the person whom you want to chat with. Okay. So there are so many and so many uses. So you must be experiencing it daily. Your parents must be watching some movies, or even you must be watching some series, or a web series, or you must be purchasing, your mother or your father or somebody else, your brother, sister, they may be ordering something from the uh, net shopping. isn't it? Or your mother may be ordering some groceries from the Big Basket or Amazon or some other this shops which are available on internet. Okay, or you must be experiencing for doing your home means for watching the videos which is school is showing. You are using YouTube's. So YouTube is a one of the entertainment this. Through this you can have the education also, as well as you can have the entertainment mode also. And for entertaining, so many other sites are also available. Now, after this, social networking. You can join social networking groups on the internet to meet people around the world with similar interest. That is, YouTube is there, blog is there, then Twitter is there, LinkedIn is there, and so many other programs are there through which you can join the groups which are having common interest. Online games. This also you must have experienced, because I am not playing online games here. On internet, you can play different types of online games. See, few pictures are shown here. You can play chess, or you can play card games. You can play any other game also. Then you can have the car race also, and so many other games are there. So you can entertain yourself by playing online games also. Okay, you must tell in the live session, be prepared. I may ask you which online games you have played or which social networking sites you are using. Okay, so be prepared for that. Now, ways to connect to the internet. Okay, there are two ways to connect to the internet, either through dial-up connection or broadband connections. Some users connect computers to the internet via slower speed dial-up connection because of its lower cost, while users connect via high speed broadband connections. Whenever you will have a broadband connection, the speed is very high and it is little bit costlier than the dial-up connection, because dial-up connection is little bit lower cost, and but it is little bit slow also. So it depends on your usage, which connection you will prefer. Okay, dial-up connections. First, we will see this. The dial-up connection is slow speed technology. With dial-up access, you use a computer, a dial-up modem, and a regular telephone line to dial up into ISP, that is Internet Service Provider. Dial-up access provides an easy and inexpensive way for users to connect to the internet. Some of the really big ISPs, that is Internet Service Providers, include BSNL, Videsh Sanchar Nigam, MTNL, BSNL, etc. Okay, so you can apply for them for their dial-up connection. You will get the connection, but it is little bit slow and it is very cheap if you'll compare the cost with broadband connections. Dial-up modems. A dial-up is a communication device that connects a computer with telephone line to get connected to the internet. The speed of the modem is measured in kbps, kilobits per second. The word modem is derived from a combination of the words modulate, that is MO has taken from that, to convert a digital signal into an analog signal, and demodulate, that is DEM, to convert an analog signal into a digital signal. See the one which computer gives the signal to the modem, that is digital signal, and in the modem it is getting converted to the analog signal because the cables or the wires which radio signals which it is using, that are analog signals, and at the end of the receiver end where the person is getting the message or the it is getting transmitted, that time at that level it that analog signal again gets changed into a digital signal. That is the work of a modem. Both the sending and receiving ends of a communication channel must have a modem. Understood? Suppose I am sending a mail to one of the student. okay, in your class. So I should have a modem, and to whom I'm sending the mail, that person also should have a modem. Then only that coding and decoding happens. Whenever I'm sending message through my computer, that is digital signal. That digital signal gets converted into a analog signal in my modem, and then the information passes, and at the receiver's end it gets the information, and that information is in analog signals. That analog signals get converted into a digital signal, means the receiver can understand the message or whatever photographs or some information which I have sent. That person will come to know about that. Yeah. External modem and internal modem are the two types of dial-up modem. Okay. See, this information is little bit technical, but we have to understand this. Dial-up modem. An external modem is a small box that uses a cable to connect to the back of a computer. Internal modem is usually in the form of an adapter card that you can insert in an extension slot on a computer motherboard. See, in the motherboard also you can fit the modem, or you can keep it externally. If you want to put in the motherboard, it is shown here. With this slot, you can insert in the CPU on the motherboard, and if it is external like this, you can keep the modem. One end of the standard telephone cord attaches to the port on the modem card, and the other end plugs into the telephone outlet. Okay, so like this it works. Now, broadband connection. A broadband connection, however, is a high-speed technology. With broadband services, your computer is usually connected to the internet entire time it is powered on. Through broadband internet services, you can download web pages quickly, play online games, communicate in real time with others, and more. Many homes, schools, and small business users connect to the internet via high-speed broadband internet services. Broadband internet services can be wired or wireless. It depends. And most of the broadband connection services we are getting by the private companies itself. Like Airtel is there, Vodafone is there. Okay. Broadband internet services include the following: Digital Subscriber Line, that is DSL. It provides the high-speed internet connections using the regular telephone lines. Like dial-up connections, it is using the regular telephone lines. Fiber to the premises, FTTP. It uses fiber optic cables to provide high-speed internet access to home and business users. Okay, fiber optic cables are used to transmit the information. Now, cable internet services provides high-speed internet access through the cable television network via cable modem. Cable modem is required separately. Some of you must be having many of you are having a Dish TV or Tata Sky connection for the TV or cable connection for the TV. So the same cable is used to transmit the data for the internet also. Okay, through cable network. Fixed wireless provides high-speed internet connections using the dish-shaped antenna at your house or school premises to communicate with the tower location via the radio signals. With this also, with the antenna, it catches the waves and it transmits the information. There are so many different things. Different variations are there. A cellular radio network offers high-speed internet connections to devices with built-in compatible technology or computers with wireless modems. Okay, sometimes it is inbuilt also, or wireless modems we have to use for that. The satellite internet service providers high-speed internet connections via satellite to a satellite dish that communicates with the satellite modem. See, it deals with the satellite. It's not cables are not used, and the satellite gets the information from one computer and passes to the another computer at the receiving end. A Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity network uses radio signals to provide high-speed internet connections to wireless computers and devices. You must have seen the wireless Wi-Fi connections. Okay, wireless fidelity network gives radio signals. Here again it is radio signals are used. No, it is not through the cables. Understood? Like this, there are many variations in this broadband internet services. Some of them we have seen it. Now, wireless internet access. Okay. Computers connected to internet work together to transfer data and information around the world using various wired or wireless transmission media. Somewhere it is wireless, somewhere it is wired. The term wireless is normally used to refer to any type of electrical or electronic operation which is accomplished without the use of hard-wired connections. Means the router which you are using or the modem which you are using, they are wireless. Okay, wireless communication is the transfer of information over distance without the use of electrical conductors or wires. That is called wireless. You can't see any wire over there. Okay, or the modem is not connected to your computer through a wire. Okay, you can use a wireless modem to access information on the internet without using a phone line or other physical connections. See, wireless means you cannot use the phone line also or any other physical connections also, but you will get the internet. Wi-Fi is commonly used wireless network in computer system which enables connections to the internet or other machines that have Wi-Fi functionalities. Here I'm using my Wi-Fi which I have installed at my place. So I can create this video and you can see it on the YouTube. Correct. So it is wireless. No wire is attached to my computer and with the modem. Okay, it is wireless. Wi-Fi networks broadcast radio waves that can be picked up by the Wi-Fi receivers that are attached to different computers. Understood? Wireless modem. A wireless modem, also known as dongle, uses a wireless communications technology such as cellular, radio, satellite or Wi-Fi to connect to the internet. You must have seen Geo dongle. See here, it is shown Geo dongle. Modem generally looks like this, but when it is wireless, it is called a dongle, which is shown here. Reliance wireless modem that is called dongle. Here it is given. It is a small device that connects to the computer and enables additional functions when attached. Okay. Now hotspot. This is also through hotspot you can give the connection. Some of you must have used hotspot connection, means through mobile you can give your hotspot connections in some shopping malls or on stations. Hotspot connections are there and it is free. Mostly it is free connections also, Wi-Fi connections also. A hotspot is a wireless network that provides internet connections to mobile computers and other devices. Most of the public locations such as shopping malls, coffee shops, restaurants, airports and hotels have Wi-Fi hotspot. Many users can share and provide wireless internet connections by creating their own Wi-Fi hotspot through a communication device like a router at home or in office that is connected to broadband internet services. Some users create mobile hotspots through mobile broadband internet services via a tethered internet cable devices. Tether, tethering transforms a smartphone or internet cable capable device into a portable communications device that shares its internet access with other computers and device wireless. See, we can give the hotspot to our computer via the mobile also. Okay, that is possible to give this. See, these are little bit technical words which I have used, but try to understand this and try to focus on that, and then only you will come to know what is Wi-Fi and what is dial-up connection and broadband connection. So in the next part, we will see what different services of internet which is given, searching information on internet, how to search information with different sites or different search engines, and then at last we will see protecting yourself from identity theft. All this we will see in the next part. By then, see you, go through the chapter, study well, and enjoy your vacation. Bye.